I'm Heath Bender with Incentive Contracting. We're the subcontractor for Myers & Chapman out here at the Ann Springs Welcome Center. And we were lucky enough to be the trial run out here for the Armor Wall product that you see behind us on the wall. Now the difference in Armor Wall between the other steps of having to waterproof and insulate an exterior wall is that this part of the installation only takes 2 steps, where we hang it and then we caulk it, as you can see what we're doing now. Whereas before we would have to hang sheathing, then put in poly-iso insulation, then you'd have to waterproof it, then you'd have to come back and get 3 or 4 different inspections to do it. So one of the perks of Armor Wall is you're taking care of all those inspections with one. When the inspector comes out, he sees his waterproofing, he sees his insulation, he sees his sheathing, and you're ready to go. So the only steps that we have really are hanging and caulking. Now the difference is the cost of the material might seem about the same, but you're picking up 4 steps of labor. You don't have to worry about having an inspector come out. Maybe he shows up. It's easier to schedule your guys. You only have one trick to go with. Hang it, caulk it, walk away from it. Once the inspection passes, your building's waterproof. Now, as far as installation, what normally would take 4 days took us 4 hours. So if you take a look at this wall is roughly 13 feet tall. It's roughly 106 feet long. And normally it would take 4 days to put in the sheeting, the insulation, waterproofing, and the inspection. So if you have a crew of 3 people out here to do this, you're looking at a minimum of 120 man-hours. We did this with 2 guys in 4 hours. So when you take the cost ratio of labor savings alone, you're looking at less than 1/10 of the labor cost.